Hey guys, Sergi here, what's up? I'm still looking for a perfect app that can make me some money. And today I have Gamee prizes, real money games. Okay, let's first check the minimum amount, and that is $10. This app feels like a little bit overcomplicated because too much stuff is going on. So they provide mini games, spins, lottery tickets, weekly draw, lucky games, piggy bank. Let's go through all of this one by one. Mini games. Playing these mini games will get you some tickets. The amount of tickets that you win relatively small, and they ask you if you would like to multiply this by watching ads. Speaking about spins, you will get one free spin per day, and for the next ones you will need to watch an ad. More often you will win small amount of tickets, and sometimes you will win money. It'll be like 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 or 25, and rarely you will win $1. Next one is lottery. Here you need to pick numbers. You can do it by yourself or select to have it randomly picked, and then you confirm it by watching ads. You could do it 3 times, so you have 3 chances to win. To win $10,000, you need to have 5 matches plus bonus. I've played many times, and only once I got 1 match and they gave me some tickets. Weekly draw. To participate weekly draw, you need to enter an amount of tickets. Those tickets that you get from mini games and spins. The more tickets you enter, the more chances to win. I had bad luck, I didn't win anything. Lucky games. To participate, you gotta watch ads. For each lucky game, you could have 8 chances to win. I gave it a try. I've played this game for about 2 weeks or so, and you know there are too many things, too many rules to understand, so it takes time. I haven't been able to reach the minimum amount to withdraw. I've collected only $3.53. My overall opinion is that this app is overwhelming and too many things are going around, and you need to spend too much time to get the minimum amount. I would not recommend you to play it if you want to get some money from this app. My favorite app so far is Rewarded Play. Go check this out. Have a good day.